Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the 5 best personal blenders in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these personal blenders you can check out the description below. So let's get started. Introducing the Nutri-Bullet Pro 900 Watt Personal Blender, the ultimate solution for a healthier lifestyle. With 900 watts of power, this compact powerhouse effortlessly transforms dense whole foods like nuts, seeds, and kale into smooth, sippable nutrition. Its simple, intuitive design means you can load it up, push, twist, and blend with ease. Perfect for those on the go, most smoothies are ready in under 60 seconds, fitting seamlessly into your busy day. Cleanup is a breeze. Just twist off the blades, rinse with soap and water, and place the cups on the top rack of the dishwasher. The Nutri-Bullet Pro stands out with its specialized blades designed for nutrition extraction, ensuring you get the maximum benefits from every ingredient. Included in the 13-piece set are two 24-ounce mugs, sippy lids, lip rings, and a comprehensive guide with recipes to kickstart your health journey. Elevate your nutrition game with the Nutri-Bullet Pro. Introducing the Beast Mini Blender Plus, your new kitchen workhorse with unparalleled blending performance. Boasting a powerful 600W motor, this is the first mini blender capable of blending everything from veggies to ice with ease. Ideal for any kitchen, its versatility shines as it effortlessly creates smoothies, sauces, dips, dressings, and even grinds coffee. With the convenience of the blend, sip, and go feature, you can screw on the drinking lid with carry cap or straw cap plus straw and take your nutritious creations on the move. Its small countertop footprint makes it perfect for apartments, dorms, and small spaces, while its sleek design ensures it complements any kitchen decor. Designed with health in mind, the Mini transforms fresh whole foods into nutritious snacks and meals with minimal prep and cleanup. Elevate your daily nutrition effortlessly with the Beast Mini Blender Plus. Introducing the SMEG PBF01 Retro Personal Blender, the perfect blend of style and functionality for a dynamic, health-conscious lifestyle. This compact powerhouse is the latest addition to the SMEG family, renowned for its Italian design and high-quality craftsmanship. Available in 7 stunning colors, including pastel shades like cream, green, pink, and blue, as well as bold options like red, black, and white. This blender adds a chic touch to any kitchen. Equipped with a 2-speed knob, it offers quick and easy preparation of your favorite recipes. The 600 ml BPA-free Triton TM Renew bottle is designed for versatility, allowing you to chop and blend fresh ingredients for immediate consumption or storage. Its cap with a spout ensures you can take your nutritious smoothies and drinks on the go. Combining SMEG iconic retro aesthetic with modern convenience, the PBF01 is your go-to solution for a healthier, more stylish lifestyle. Introducing the Magic Bullet Blender, your ultimate kitchen companion for effortless meal and snack preparation. This versatile blender comes equipped with a 250W high-torque motor base, capable of chopping, mixing, blending, whipping, and grinding with ease. The set includes a crossblade, a tall cup, a short cup, a party mug, 2 lip rings, 2 stay fresh resealable lids, a to-go lid, and a handy 10-second recipe guide. Made from high-impact plastic, the durable cups can handle any task, from creating smoothies and omelets to sauces and dips. The included recipe book is perfect for kickstarting your culinary adventures, offering quick, easy, and delicious dishes from appetizers to desserts. With the Magic Bullet Blender, you can effortlessly create nutritious and tasty meals in no time. Just add 1/2 cup of water for a smoother blend, and let the Magic Bullet transform your kitchen experience. Introducing the Ninja BN301 Nutri-Blender Plus Compact Personal Blender, your ultimate tool for powerful and convenient blending. Featuring a 900 peak watt push-to-blend motor base, this blender effortlessly powers through ice, whole fruits, and veggies, ensuring you get the best of ninja blending. The Pro Extractor Blades assembly breaks down ingredients to create nutrient-rich extractions, perfect for a healthy lifestyle. Blend directly into one of the 3 included 20 ounces. Ninja to-go cups, twist on a spout lid to enjoy on the go, or a storage lid to save your creations for later. The Recipe Inspiration Guide, with 20 delicious recipes, helps you make smoothies, shakes, and more with ease. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts, including cups, lids, and blades. Designed to fit perfectly in your car's cup holder, the 20 ounces. Ninja to-go cups add convenience to your daily routine. Elevate your nutrition with the Ninja BN301 Nutri-Blender Plus.